going to be showing you how to make a white bean and ham soup in your crock pot. This is just a super easy, fast dump and go recipe. So I started out today by adding a half cup of diced onions, 1 rib of celery, and then like 2 to 3 carrots peeled and sliced up into my crock pot, my slow cooker here. And then I'm going to pour in 4 cups of water, and I'm going to be using this chicken better than bouillon. You can also just use chicken broth if you want to do 4 cups of chicken broth, or you can do 4 teaspoons of the better than bouillon. I'm going to add in 1 bay leaf, a half teaspoon of ground thyme, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, I have 3 garlic cloves that I'm going to press. And then I've rinsed and drained 2 cans of Great Northern white beans. I'll add those in. And for the ham, I'm going to be using, because I don't have a, ham that I made. If you've made a ham for dinner, whatever, you have the ham bone and all that, that would be wonderful. But I didn't have that, so I just bought this bone-in ham steak. I'm going to chop it up and throw in the little piece of bone that is in the package, and that will just give the soup a lot of flavor. Okay, so here's the ham that I cut up, and then there's the little piece that has the bone in it. So we'll just throw that all in. This is about just over a pound, like 1.16 pounds of ham. Just add that in. Okay. And then we're gonna cover, and I'm gonna cook this on low for about 4 to 6 hours. All right, so the soup is done. We're gonna give it a try. You can discard the ham bone and the bay leaf and ladle yourself up a bowl. It smells so good. It's made my house smell delicious all day. I'm gonna let it cool down here, and then I'm gonna give it a shot. I hope you enjoy it, and we will see you again tomorrow.